Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BABA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty crazy day on this one. Big move down, but you got to give some credit where credit's due. The price did put itself together a nice little bounce here. So you think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, yet it managed to close all the way up there. Of course, there's a lot more work that needs to be done. But point here being from where the price was to where it was able to work its way up to, good solid move. But that does now bring about the valid question here of, all right, well, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And I have no idea, but by using charts and more specifically using 2235 here, that's going to be a very helpful level. And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down there, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas, to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. But if the price were to come down there, behave in that manner, then turn itself around, now all of a sudden what would be, playing out here? Well, now you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right around that green line. Now, if the price does continue on up, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? First key area of resistance to keep an eye on would be right up there at 224.75. And then you'll also want to keep a very close eye on that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. But one hurdle at a time. Let's just first see if the price can even get above 224.75. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very solid bounce, good respectable bounce. Now it's just a big question of, is there any sort of true power behind this? Is the start of something much bigger? Let's see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.